Now say in this sum, it is given that the diameter of a circle is 26 cm. A chord of the circle is at a distance of 5 cm from the center of the circle, and we have to find out the length of chord. So first we'll draw a diagram. In this there is a chord AB. Center of the circle is O. Okay, and as the diameter of the circle is given, so we can find radius OA is half of diameter. So that is half of 26. So that is 13 cm. We'll join AO as well. We join perpendicular and we'll write this as M, and perpendicular distance is already given 5 and radius we found 13. So now in triangle OMA by Pythagoras theorem. So we'll get AO square is equals to OM square plus AM square. So OA is 13, OM is already given 5, and AM we have to find out. This is 169, this is 25. We'll shift this 25. So it is AM square is equals to 169 minus 25. This is 144. So AM is root of 144, 12 cm. So finally AM is 12 cm. So chord AB is twice of AM. So AB is 24 cm. Now see in this sum, it is given that O is the center of the circle, OM perpendicular to chord AB, and ON is perpendicular to chord CD as well. AB is given 40 cm, OM is 15 cm, ON is 7 cm, and radius and length of the chord CD we have to find. So now as they are given, chord AB is 40 cm, so we can find AM. So AM is half of chord AB. So that will be like half, and AB is already given 40, so it becomes 20 cm. So that means AM we got 20. We'll join AO. So now triangle OMA become a right angle triangle. So in triangle AMO by Pythagoras theorem, so it will becomes AO square is equals to AM square plus MO square. So just we'll put the values. AO is remains as it is. AM is 20 and MO is 15. So 20 square is 400, 15 square is 225. This total becomes 625. So AO will get square root of 625, that is 25 centimeter. So that means radius of the circle is 25 centimeter. Now see, so as AO is equals to CO, both become 25 centimeter, and it is radii of the circle. Theorem. So in triangle ONC by Pythagoras theorem, like OC square equals to ON square plus CN square. So here OC is hypotenuse, that is 25, already we know the radius. ON is 7, it is given, and CN is unknown. So 25 square is 625, 7 square is 49, and CN square is unknown. Shift this 49 to this side, it becomes 625 minus 49, and that is Cn square. So Cn square is just, it is 576. Cn square is square root of 576. 24. So as we got Cn is 24, to find CD, length of the chord, okay, so CD is the chord, so CD is twice of Cn, so that is 2 into 24, that is 48. It is given that the radii of two concentric circles are 17 cm and 10 cm. A line segment PQRS cuts outer circle at P and S and inner circle at Q and R. If QR is 12 cm, so chord QR is given 12 cm. Find the length of PQ. QM will be half of QR. So that is half of QR is 12. So we'll get 6 cm. So QM we got 6 cm. Radius QO is already given. The smaller radius is 10 cm. So QO is 10 cm. And in triangle OMQ we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle OMQ by Pythagoras theorem, OQ square is equals to OM square plus QM square. OQ is given 10 cm, OM is not given, QM is 6 already we found. So 10 square is 100, 36, shift 36 to this side. So OM square is equal to 100 minus 36 is 64. So OM is 8. Radius of larger circle is already given, which is PO, that is 17 cm, and OM already we found. So PO is equals to 17 cm, so now, which is already in triangle PMO, will use Pythagoras theorem. PO square is equals to OM square plus PM square. So PO is 17, OM already we are found here 8 cm, and PM is unknown. 17 square is 289, 64. So PM square will be 289 minus 64, so which is 225. So PM we got 15. As we have to find out PQ, PQ is equals to PM minus QM, and PM is 15 while QM is 6, so that is 9 cm. Now see in this sum, it is given that two circles with center O and P intersect at A and B. AB is 24, so AB is also a common chord between them, and that is 24 cm, and the diameters are 30 cm and 26 cm. Calculate the length of OP. So distance between the centers we have to find out. So first of all, we'll assume this like midpoint of AB as M. So like AM we can find here. Okay, so AM is half of AB, and AB is already given 24, so it will be half of 24, that is 12. So AM we got 12, and radius AO is already half given of diameter, so that is half of 30. So we got here it is 15 cm. So now in triangle AMO by Pythagoras theorem, so we'll get here AO square is equals to AM square plus OM square. AO is the radius that is already we found here, 15 square, and AM is 12 cm, so it is 12 square plus OM square. This is 225, this is 144 plus OM square. So now shift this. So 225 minus 144 is OM square, So OM square is equals to 81. Okay. So OM is finally root of 81, that is 9 centimeter. Similarly, we'll find MP. So in triangle AMP by Pythagoras theorem, so we'll get here AP square is equals to AM square plus MP square. AP is the radius of the smaller circle. Okay, so we can find here AP is equals to half of D2. So that is half of D2 is 26. So it is 13 centimeter. So AP is 13 centimeter. AM is 12 square plus MP square. We'll get 13 square is 169. This is 144 and MP square. So finally MP square is 169 minus 144. So MP square is 25. So MP is root of 25, that is 5 centimeter. As we have to find out OP, so OP is equals to OM plus MP, and OM already we are calculated it, 9 plus MP is 5. So final answer is, now see in this sum, it is given that O is the center of the circle, AB and CD are two chords of the circle, OM is perpendicular to AB and ON is perpendicular to CD. AB is given, chord AB is given 24 centimeter, OM is given 5 centimeter, ON is given 12 centimeter, and we have to find out the radius of the circle and chord CD. So see, as per they are given the chord AB is 24 centimeter, we can find AM. So AM is half of AB. So this is half of AB is already given 24, that is 12 centimeter. So AM we got 12. OM is already given 5. So we can join this AO. So now in triangle AMO by Pythagoras theorem, we'll get AO square is equals to OM square plus AM square. Now OM is given 5, AM is 12, 5 square is 25, it is 144, it is 169. So finally AO will get root of 169, that is 13 centimeter. So this we got 13 centimeter. For now other side is given 12 and CO is same as the AO. AO equals to CO and both become 13 centimeter. ON is already given 12. ON is 12 centimeter. So again now in triangle CNO will apply the Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle CNO by Pythagoras theorem. So now it is CO square equals to ON square plus CN square. So CO is 13, ON is 12 and CN we have to find out. So it is 169, this is 144 plus CN square. So 169, 144 gets shifted. So CN square becomes 25. So CN is root of 25, that is 5 centimeter. So finally we got this is 5 centimeter. We want to find chord CD. So chord CD is twice of CN. So that is 2 into 5, that is 10 centimeter. See in this sum it is given that the circle with center O, AM equals to MB, AM equals to MB, that is 12. CM is 6 and we have to find out the radius of the circle. We'll join AO Okay, as AO is equals to OC, we'll consider both are R as the radius of same circle. OM becomes OC minus CM. So OC is the R and this is 6. So OM we got, AM already we know, AM is 12 centimeter. So and AO is the R. So now in triangle OMA we'll apply the Pythagoras theorem. So according to that we'll get AO square is equals to AM square plus OM square. So AO is the radius, AM is 12 already given, and OM is R minus 6. So it remains R square, this became 144, and here A minus B the whole square formula will apply. So that becomes R square minus 12R plus 36. So now shift all these R to this side. So R square comes to this side, become minus, this 12R also comes, that become plus 12R. 144 is already there, plus 36 remains as it is. So here R square minus R square get cancelled. So finally it is 12R is equals to 180. So R is 180 upon 12. So it is 15. So radius of the circle is 15 centimeter. So now see, in this sum it is given that AD is the chord of larger of two concentric circles and BC is the chord of smaller circle. And we have to prove that AB is equals to CD. So first we'll draw perpendicular from O center to chord. So we'll write here like OM is perpendicular to BC. It is construction. By this we'll get BM is equals to CM. It is circle property. OM is perpendicular to AD, and same way we'll get here AM is equals to MD. Again this is circle property. Okay, so now from AM we'll subtract BM, and this side from MD we'll subtract CM. So AM minus BM will get AB, and MD minus CM will get CD. Hence proved. Now see in this sum, it is again given in the given circle AD equals to DB equal to 16 centimeter. So AD and DB both are 16. DE is 8. Find the radius of the circle. So again we'll join AO, and AO is equals to OE. Both are radius of same circle. So now we'll find OD. So OD is OE minus DE. So OE is R and DE is 8. It is given. So now OD also we got. So now in triangle ADO by Pythagoras theorem, we'll get AO square equals to AD square plus OD square. So AO is R, AD is 16 already given, and OD is R minus 8. So we'll write here R square, 16 square is 256. This is A minus B the whole square, so it is R square minus 16R plus 64. We'll shift all these R's. So R square minus R square, 16R become plus. Here it is 256 plus 64. So R square get cancelled. It is 16. R is equals to, it becomes 320. So finally R is 320 upon 16. 20, so R is 20 centimeter.